First, make sure you have an active Spectrum TV subscription and the Spectrum TV app downloaded on your preferred device, whether it's iOS, Android, Roku, Fire TV, Apple TV, or a compatible smart TV. Next, launch the Spectrum TV app on your device and log in with your Spectrum username and password. Once logged in, go to the DVR or Recorded Shows section. This is where your Cloud DVR recordings are stored in the cloud. You can browse your recordings by date, channel, or use the search feature to locate specific shows or episodes. Simply select the recording you want to watch and tap to start playback right away. During playback, use the standard controls like fast forward at speeds from 2x to 30x, rewind, pause, and other features to navigate through your recording. For the best experience, make sure you have a stable internet connection with at least 25 MB speed to ensure smooth HD playback of your recordings. Remember that recordings are automatically deleted after 90 days unless you save them to your favorites list. To enhance your viewing experience with the Spectrum TV app, here are some essential playback tips. You can seamlessly switch between devices and resume watching from where you left off. The app supports multi-device syncing, allowing you to watch on one device and pick up right where you stopped on another. For offline viewing, the app offers up to 30 days of access with premium features, perfect for watching without an internet connection. If you encounter issues like buffering or recordings failing to load, try clearing the app's cache or restarting the app. Ensure your internet connection is stable, at least 25 MB/s for HD playback. The Spectrum TV app is ad-supported, but premium subscribers enjoy an ad-free experience. For more help, visit the Support Center with video tutorials. For live TV, you can pause playback for up to 3 hours using the Cloud feature. Finally, parental controls are available to block recordings by rating or channel, helping you manage content for family viewing.